nice sign that says, thinking of a master plan. And then these hooks for my students to put their backpacks in before they enter. And this is my door. And I have these signs for affirmations for my students to know that they are loved. And then this was actually left in my classroom and I thought it was really cool, so I kept it. It's Dr. Seuss theme, but it goes with my classroom colors. Oh, the places you'll go. Haha. And then I have these two cones. They probably will not stay there, but they will take those cones and put them on their desk when they go to the bathroom. And when they exit the bath to go, they'll flip this light on so I can look and see this bright light. I'm sorry to blind you. Turn that back off throughout the classroom. And then I have hand sanitizing station here on this stool. This is my daughter. She's over here. The favorite thing I love about my class, it has two huge whiteboards. One board, two board. Love it. So over here, I have my school rug, my big fluffy ball. As you can see, my daughter is sitting on it and it has a stool under it. Then the clock came with the classroom. I actually bought these off Teachers Pay Teachers. I have to print my times, but I don't have my schedule yet. So I will do that when I get my schedule for the times. And then I also bought this from Teachers Pay Teachers, the signals for the class. And then I just hung these string lights. I think I got these from Big Lots or Five Below. Can't remember, but didn't pay a lot of money for them. And then my affirmation signs and rule signs as well are posted here. And I got this off Teachers Pay Teachers. I have a pointer. And this book, We Will Rock Our Classmates. I will read this book actually on the first day of school to my students. So I have that displayed here. My cart I got from Michael's. And this little magnetic rock I will use for anchor charts. My daughter, one of my younger children, drew me a picture. And I have not actually had the chance to make my letters, but first day of school is in 2 days. And I got in my classroom on Thursday. And today is Saturday. So this is what it is until then. These folders will be used for ELA purposes, and I think I'm actually gonna make a game out of this. So I'm really excited for that. I will go home and print the game and my letters this weekend. And then I have my rolling carts, and I got all these from Michael's and they were all on sale. They're having a really big sale and I just got those. And then the trays, I believe I want to say came from Target. My Himalayan rock came from Walmart. And then my class came with this big TV. This is my area. I have a little strobe light for lighting. It actually changes colors when I clap my hands, anything like this. There are school supplies on the desk because the day I got my classroom, we actually had open night. So I came in and with a couple of my daughters and we set up the classroom, but we didn't finish. And so today we came in to finish. This area, I still have to label, but I will use this as my copies for the day. I will put those in there. I have a teacher's toolbox, social studies books, this banner. I got that from Walmart as well. Then I have some curriculum I need to unbox, and I will be putting that in these baskets. And then I have these two tables. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with them, but they make good displays for books and a hand sanitizing station. That big light bulb probably will not stay there. It'll probably go up high or over here by the window, but I have not got the batteries. I want to buy a tray to put my pencil sharpener in so the pencil shavings can be caught. This is a big storage closet. I have not fully organized it, and it's bins in there, so I'm not gonna open that. I attempted to make a class jobs, and it's not perfect. My classroom is far from perfect. I don't really like it, but it'll do for now. I still have to get numbers for my students to put on there. Some storage up there of school supplies. I have some extra bins. These books were gifted to me from the last teacher, and my team is so amazing. One of them came and actually organized these and put them on the shelf for me my first day here. So amazing. And I have a tote that's going home with me because it's extra and I don't have the storage. And as you see, my children have moved to the library section. These two bean bags came from Walmart. The pillows came from the Target dollar spot, and the carpet came from Walmart. I have some lighting that needs batteries displayed, a sign, live, love, and learn. Not sure where that came from. And then all the little clear bins over here came from Michael's, and those will actually be stem bins. And they do have things in them, but I will save that for a later date once I get them fully completed. And I have books displayed here as well. These are some of my books. These are more chapter books and series that I brought from home, from my library at home. And then these are some more books up here, picture books as well. And some flexible seating for the students so they can move closer. Of course, this is my iPad card. This is where I will be doing small group over here. I have my refrigerator back there, my waters, a lamp for me, and another one of those drawers. And this is a 5-drawer one, so I can have easy access to manipulatives and things like that. Also made a hand sanitizing station here. Hand sanitizer and wipes to clean throughout the process, because we're still in COVID. We still have to clean, clean, clean. This is going to be my math section, and I put these up. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I did not want it to look so blank. So I put those up there, and I'm sure I'm going to put something inside of them. I have my beads for when they give me a creative answer. I saw this from another teacher on YouTube. Again, another magnetic hanger. I got those from Walmart. I think they were like $7 or $8 each. I have lighting below that my daughter put up in geometric shapes down here. And yes, I did hook those up going down below that. So my class is pretty simple. I have lots and lots of storage. All this is filled with math manipulatives and games. And then I have extra storage for extra things that I might need later on. My happy sign. And then I think this is probably the most favorite part of my classroom, because I came up with this speaker voice thing from Teachers Pay Teachers. But when we were in Home Depot looking for magnets, my daughter saw these push lights in there, and they came in a pack of 6 for $16. And hey, they change colors, and they also come with a remote, and they already had the batteries in them, so yay to that. I made this station of dry erase boards, hand sanitizer, wipes, and erasers here. This is part of my math curriculum. That's English curriculum, and these 2 drawers I have not went through yet, and that's okay. They have charts in them that I'm not going to display. So I move this around, and I made a hand sanitizer station. I have my first aid kit, the Band-Aids in it, Kleenex, and then my balls and my dry erase marker in these bins. These two bins are for my Friday folders and homework. I have not labeled them. This is my sign. What's new is the curriculum. They dropped that off this weekend, so I have not yet fully put it away. I added this chair. That is new because this area will be a center, and I have that fluff ball. I'm not sure if I had that in when I recorded earlier. I have anchor charts because we've already started, and I handwritten my time schedule beside this because some things overlap and we have breaks in between, so I did do that. And I lost my lunch tab and I'm not sure where, so I haven't had the time to make it, so I just wrote it. We still have lights that I need to turn on this morning before the bell rings. I have not yet put up my lettering for this. This will be part of the centers that I was talking about. I did, however, I have this sign right here. I got this off Teachers Pay Teachers. Stop, did you write your name on your paper? Highlight your name. And I put an example. I have the bins. I actually labeled them Science, Math, ELA, and Social Studies. And then I have an in progress bin here with a hand sanitizer. In these drawers, I have not labeled the drawers. So the drawers start Science, Math, ELA, and Social Studies. These are the drawers for groups, and I have a group of 5. I'm gonna turn this on when I'm over here before I forget. Yay, look how pretty. I love it. It's a Himalayan rock. To my desk, only really thing, I need to put these up. I just can't find the scrapbook paper, and I know I went to Walmart and I know I bought it not once but twice and still can't find the books. Don't know what happened to them. Only thing I did add to my table was this little tray, and it's yellow because that is my mailbox for my students. I did go buy me 2 scissors and because I keep losing them. Something else I did was I ordered these little organizers off of Dollar Tree for, I want to say, they came in a pack of 12. Excuse me, that's my lanyard. Came in a pack of 24 actually, and I just put them on there. I'm sure they won't last the entire year because they were $1, but it's better than their desk being junky. All right, so over here, what's different is now I have 2 bins with my teachers' books in them, and I tried to make my labels for this, but my labels were too long, so I had to cut them, and I'm not that great at cutting them, but hey, I did it. Back here are my teacher notebooks that I can show my students for an example. My schedules are over here as well, so I'll know. In here is all my extra supplies that I have that I can just get to scissors so quickly. Extra set of lights that's above my board. This bin was supposed to be for homework, but it did not fit in my 3 card. So I actually took those pink bins and put that there. And my calendar fell because I didn't have enough magnets on it. So I need to go to Home Depot or Lowe's to get some more magnets. Over here, my kids love these, our little gadgets and things. They get to come do this fidgets when they need them. This is also the quiet table. There are my letters that I have yet to pull up. This is actually our social studies curriculum. It's a newspaper, so I just pulled out weeklies that we're going to use this week and put them in here. We only do social studies Wednesday and Fridays. Sanitizer station, headphones. This is where the water bottles go. I made a bucket for dry erase markers here, and a bucket for Sharpies here because we do use those. And we have a bucket over there for pencils. I have not done anything to this. I do have the pockets for them in the popsicle sticks, but I have not put them up. And the lovely banner, can't remember if that was there. And my morning meeting is up. Good morning, Monday. Our library, still have not put the labels on this side. They love this little area. I'm gonna turn on these lights over here. I did, however, label this side, and as you can see, they have checked out books already. Still about the same. I was able to actually clear this off. And I did get my numbers up here. Yay. Got those up this weekend. Of course, I got my anchor charts up, and I need to turn on these lights over here. This is where we put our art bins, so that's new. Didn't really have anywhere else, and I don't go in this cabinet very often. Math curriculum and their big binders. We're supposed to use that for AVID, for organization, but these things are huge and they really don't fit in that little hole very well. Other than that, there is not much of a difference here. I have my microwave and my refrigerator over here. My wagon that I bring in my Monday stuff with, literacy materials, books, level readers, I haven't labeled these because I'm not sure if that's what I want, but vocab, level testers. I've been with curriculum and development for small groups. And then we're back to my classroom, and this is a bigger view from the back side of the class by the math board of what it looks like. Don't mind that I still have to take that out. So if you have questions or ideas on organizations, just let me know, leave it in the comments, and I will answer you. Bye.